Have you ever wondered what brings a website to life on your screen? Every button you click, every article you read, and every video you watch is the result of a craft known as web development. It is the language of the modern internet, a skill that transforms blank pages into vibrant, interactive experiences. Today, we will embark on a clear and simple journey to understand this powerful field. We will explore the fundamental building blocks, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, step by step. This guide is your map from curious beginner to someone who understands how the web is built. Technology can feel intimidating, but at its core, it is simple, logical steps. Organize, design, interact. Think digital Lego. Connect the right pieces and you can build almost anything. Alright, let's get started. At its simplest, web development is the work involved in creating a website. From a single page of plain text to complex web applications, social platforms, and online stores. Developers write code, browsers read it and render the page you see and use. It's more than code, planning structure, designing UI, ensuring easy navigation. It also connects to databases to store and retrieve information. Profiles, inventories. Web development blends creativity and logic to craft robust, efficient experiences. Like a letter, structure the content, style the look, and add interactive moments. It's a form of communication, turning ideas and services into accessible digital experiences. Tools evolve quickly, but core principles remain: structure, style, behavior. Understand this core to get started with confidence. Every site has two sides that work together, like a restaurant. Front end is what users see: decor, menu, table settings, and the waiter taking your order. It's the visual presentation and interactivity, built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Front end ensures great UX across devices, from large monitors to small phones. Back end is the kitchen, servers, apps, and databases, where orders are processed. It stores data, handles requests, processes information, and verifies logins. Click Buy Now, request to server, order processed, inventory updated, confirmation back. This constant conversation enables modern, dynamic web experiences. Two faces, one product, a seamless experience for the user. HTML, hypertext markup language, is the first building block of a web page. Think of it as the skeleton: doors, windows, rooms, stairs, not colors or furniture. Without HTML, content is a jumble. With HTML, it's organized and meaningful. HTML uses tags, mostly in pairs, to mark start and end of elements. Opening tag, H1, closing tag, H1. The text inside becomes a main heading. Paragraph, link, click here. The href is an attribute. You'll define headings, paragraphs, lists, links, images, piece by piece. Semantics power accessibility and SEO. Screen readers and search engines rely on proper tags. A well-structured HTML document is the solid foundation of every good site. Once the skeleton exists, CSS, cascading style sheets, handles presentation, colors, typography, spacing, layout. CSS is paint, flooring, and furniture. CSS selects HTML elements by tag, ID, or class, then applies rules. Example, P, jazz, color, blue, changes every paragraph's text color. Control size, spacing, margin, padding, and positioning with layouts like flexbox and grid. Set precise styles, font size, 16px, background color, SF0, F0, F0. Media queries adapt layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Responsive design. H1, she, font family, Arial, color, G, 33, margin bottom, 20px, G for consistent headings. With one style sheet, you transform plain HTML into a professional, beautiful experience. JavaScript adds behavior and interactivity. It makes things happen. Think electrical wiring, plumbing, appliances, the systems that bring life to the house. JS listens for events, clicks, key presses, page load, and runs functions. For example, button.add event listener, click, function, alert, you clicked me. Create sliders, validate forms, show, hide elements, all without reloading the page. Fetch data from servers in the background for seamless, dynamic experiences. As you scroll, JS retrieves new content and updates the DOM smoothly. As a full programming language, JS provides variables, loops, and logic. From tiny micro-interactions to complex apps, JavaScript powers modern interactivity. The browser requests a page, the server responds with HTML, the blueprint. The browser parses HTML and builds the DOM, its internal map of elements. It fetches CSS and applies styles, painting colors, fonts, and layout. Sometimes you'll see unstyled content flash before CSS loads. Then JavaScript loads and executes, ready to interact with the DOM. JS can add, remove, or modify elements and styles in real time. Event listeners wait for user input and update the UI without full reloads. Like an RC car, HTML is the chassis, CSS the paint, JavaScript the control and motor. Separate roles, seamless teamwork. That's modern front-end development. You don't need much to begin. Start with a code editor and a browser. Editors offer syntax highlighting and autocomplete to reduce mistakes. Your browser's dev tools show HTML, CSS, JS, and let you experiment live. For simple projects, open local files directly. A server comes later. Step 1. Create a new folder. Step 2. Add index.html and write a few lines of HTML. Step 3. Open it in your browser to see it render. Step 4. Link style.css and try color. Red. Step 5. Add a simple JavaScript alert to feel interactivity. The best way to learn is by doing. Keep building and experimenting. Recap. HTML provides structure, CSS adds style, and JavaScript creates behavior. Open your editor, create index.html, style.css, and a tiny script. Your first web app awaits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly web dev guides.